Nous sommes à quelle page ici, Wamboy?
La page 130.
Oui, you can also say nous sommes à la page 130. Nous sommes à la page 130. That is, we are on page 130. OK, merci. Qu'est-ce que c'est la dernière semaine, ou la semaine dernière, Nancy?
La week dernière. Last week.
Oh, oui, très bien. Last week. Hein? Now, when you see la semaine dernière, la semaine is a noun.
Oui.
And you can see it is feminine. And dernière is an adjective. It is agreeing with the gender of the noun. So it becomes la semaine dernière. So before we proceed, let us look at the strategy. We can get a better understanding that la semaine dernière, that is last week, and samedi dernier, last Saturday. Remember that days of the week are masculine. So if you talk about last Tuesday, you say mardi dernier, mardi dernier. If you talk about last Thursday, you say jeudi dernier. So how do you say, Wamboy, last Friday?
Vendredi dernier.
Good. Then Nancy, how do you say last Sunday?
Dimanche dernier.
Oui, dimanche dernier.
Dernier.
Oui, so the moment you know the noun, you are okay. Like if it is a month, the month is le mois. So we can talk about le mois dernier, that is last month, le mois dernier. And if it is last year, we know that the year is l'année, and l'année is feminine. So we can say l'année dernière. Now let's proceed with that strategy. So which word is the noun and which is the adjective? We can tell, isn't it? We can tell the noun and the adjective. So is the order different in French? Is it different from English?
It's the opposite. Last week, week last.
Okay, merci. Yeah, that's good. So do you remember the rule about the position of adjectives? Do you remember?
Yes.
Yeah, we say that adjective in French come after the noun, with the exception of 15 adjectives that come before the noun. So the rest will come after. Then, why are there two different forms, dernier and dernière? What can we say about that, Nancy? Why do we have dernier and dernière?
Is this to do with the gender?
Of course.
Oui.
Yeah, so when we change the gender from masculine to feminine, dernier becomes dernière. They have similar endings like cher and cher. Remember, cher can mean expensive or dear or expensive. Use the pattern of samedi dernier to say the French for last Friday. When we had said that, last Wednesday. Nancy, can you say last Wednesday?
Mercredi dernier.
Oui, mercredi dernier. Oh, Amboy, can you say last Monday?
Lundi dernier.
Lundi dernier. Très bien. So when you hear dernier and dernière, it may be a clue that the conversation is about the past.